Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate the process of setting up internet access on an OPNSense firewall. Open a web browser and navigate to the default IP address of OPNSense, typically 192.168.1.1. Log in with the default username, root, and password, OPNSense, or with the credentials you set during the initial setup. Once the firewall is logged in, navigate to System, then click on the wizard. Click on the Next button. Next, set the host name, domain, language, primary and secondary DNS servers. Uncheck the Override DNS. Next, uncheck the Enable Resolver. Then click on the Next button. Configure the time server and time zone settings for your firewall. Then click on the Next button. Next, set the IPv4 configuration type to static IPv4. Next, enter your WAN IP address. Set the subnet mask size. Next, enter your WAN gateway IP in upstream gateway field. Click on Next button. You can also configure the LAN interface as per your requirement. Click on Next button. Set the root password. Click on Next button. Next, click on the Reload to apply the configuration. Once the configuration has been applied, go to Dashboard. Next, go to Interfaces and then click on WAN Interface. Next, drag to bottom. Pick your WAN gateway from the IPv4 upstream gateway drop-down menu. Click on Save button, then click on Apply Changes. By implementing these procedures, your OPNSense firewall will be fully equipped to deliver internet access. Additionally, you have the option to test the connectivity by conducting a Google DNS ping test. Open a web browser and test accessing various websites to confirm internet connectivity.